Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 4, Explore Our Country. So, chapter is India's famous chefs. Identify these famous chefs. Number 1. She was a noted food writer, chef, best-selling cook, book author. Okay. So, she wrote more than 100 books and in all sold more than 3 million books. So she was awarded Padma Shri by the government of India in 2007. Tarla Dalal. Number 2. She is a noted chef, television, food, show, presenter, cook, book author and restaurant. She is also the co-owner of a popular Italian restaurant, Diva in Delhi. So she is Ritu Dalmia. 3. He is the most celebrated face of Indian cuisine. He is a chef and entrepreneur. He started in a most popular food show, Khana Khazana, that was the longest running show in Asia, and it was telecast in 120 countries and in 2010 had more than 500 million viewers. He launched his own food channel in January 2011. Sanjeev Kapoor. Next, number 4. She is a British born chef and food writer. She specialized in Anglo Indian cuisine. She came into prominence in 1998 when she won a competition to find a great chef for the BBC's Food and Drink program. ये है मंजू माली. Five. He is a chef, restaurateur, author, and a renowned Indian food and culinary consultant. He pioneered America's first ice cream patisserie. Hollow Feet is also the co-founder of Cooking for Life. ये है हरि नायक. Number 6. He is awarded winning chef, restaurateur, food writer, and one of the hosts of the TV show Master Chef in India. He is based in New York City. ये हैं विकास खन्ना. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Is the first in India. Look at the pictures, read the descriptions, and complete the names of the following. You may use the help box. 1. He was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize, Rabindranath Tagore. 2. She was the first Indian lady to go into space, Kalpana Chawla. 3. She was the first Indian lady IPS of India, Kiran Bedi. He was the first Indian to go to space, Rakesh Sharma. 5. She was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna, Indira Gandhi. 6. He was the first Indian person to reach on Mount Everest, Tenzing Norgay. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Sobriquets of India. A sobriquet is an informal name or little title that is given to a person, place, or thing. Some sobriquets of Indian states, cities are given below. Write the names of the state cities they are associated with. You will use the help box. 1. City of Nawabs. नवाबों का शहर लखनऊ. City of Orange, Nagpur. Pink City, Jaipur. Steel City of India, Jamshedpur. City of Temples, Varanasi, जिसको अब हम प्रयागराज बोलते हैं. गोल्डन सिटी ऑफ इंडिया, जैसलमेर. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Great Indian woman. Look at the pictures, read the descriptions and identify the great Indian woman. You can use the help box. First one is the first woman IPS officer Kiran Bedi. The first Indian to be crowned Miss World, Rita Faria. See, the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal. The first Indian woman to win the Nobel Prize, Mother Teresa. The first woman judge of the Supreme Court, Fatima Bibi, M. Fatima Bibi. Six, the first Indian woman to go into space, Kalpana Chawla. The first woman to be Defense Minister of India, Nirmala Sitaraman. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Is facts about India. The Indian Railways, which employs over 1 million people, is the largest employer in India. Number 2, Nek Chand created the rock garden in Chandigarh using the broken pieces of crockery, bangles and other waste material. The Vishnu temple in the city of Tirupati is visited by nearly 1 lakh devotees every day, making it the world's largest pilgrimage destination. Number 4, chess was invented in India. It is the national games of Russia. Number 5, the Mahatma Gandhi Setu is a bridge over the river Ganga connecting Patna to Hazipur in Bihar, India. It is the longest river bridge in India. 6. Raja Harishchandra, India's first feature film, was first shown to public on 3 May 1913 at Bombay's now Mumbai. Okay, Coronation Cinema. The credit for making the first Indian feature film goes to Dada Saheb Phalke Award. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Crops in India. Match the states with the crops given there. Remember, one state can be known for growing more than one kind of crop. A and B. Maharashtra, cotton and EF. महाराष्ट्र में कॉटन भी होती है, ऑरेंजेस भी होते हैं और शुगर के. उत्तर प्रदेश टू शुगर केन एंड व्हीट, F and H. Number 3, केरला. केरला में rubber and spices. A और I option. आसाम में tea और only tea. West Bengal jute rice. Jute C tea. Okay, D and rice G. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine encompasses of wide variety of regional dishes. The pictures of some famous dishes and desserts from various parts of India are given below. Reverse the order of the letters and write their names in the spaces provided. तमिलनाडु में क्या होता है? डोसा. डोसा. It is संदेश. घेवर in Rajasthan. महाराष्ट्र वड़ा पाव. बिहार लिट्टी चोखा. And last Punjab छोले कुलचे. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. In Entrepreneurs of India. A person who runs and manages a big business enterprise is known as an entrepreneur. Given below are the pictures of some businesses tycoons of India. Name them, you may use the help box. Okay, so let me start. 1. Birla Group. Kumar Mangalam. Infosys. N.R. Narayanan Murthy. Three. PTM. Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Azim Premji. Reliance. Mukesh Ambani. Tata Group. Ratan Tata. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Shining India. Find out how much you know about modern India by choosing the correct answer to these questions. 1. Which of these is the longest river bridge in India? Mahatma Gandhi Setu. Which of these roads still in use is known to be built during the time of medieval ruler Sher Shah Suri? I think Grand Trunk Road. Option C. Name the second largest inland city in India that is also the capital of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Question 4. In which state is the Bhabha Atomic Research Center located? Maharashtra? Yes. In which city is the Indira Gandhi International Airport located? New Delhi. In which Indian city was the first metro rail operated? Kolkata. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bengaluru. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Is popular Indian events. Read the following descriptions of popular Indian events and name the places where they are held. 1. The world's largest camel fair takes place in India At the fair, people buy and sell their livestock, which include mainly camels but also cows, sheep, and goats. A camel race starts on the festival, and music, songs, and exhibitions follows. ये है पुष्कर मेला राजस्थान में. पुष्कर in Rajasthan. Dahi Handi. It generally takes place on the second day of Janmashtami. An earthen pot containing a mixture of milk, dry fruits, silver coins, and ghee is hung high in the air from rope. Groups of youngsters form a human pyramid by standing on the shoulders of one another. Then the person at the top breaks the pot, which brings them hefty rewards. So ये होता है मुंबई महाराष्ट्र में. दही हांडी. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Carnival. The carnival is an annual event held in mid February. It provides healthy entertainment for all, young and old, during the 3 days. Festivities used parades are organized with bands and dancing in floors all day and night on the streets. The contestants wear colorful costumes and masks. ये होता है गोवा. गोवा में मुंबई महाराष्ट्र. Four. Rath Yatra. It is associated with Lord Jagannath. Every year, the deities of the Jagannath Mandir, Lord Krishna, Balram, and Subhadra, are installed on huge chariots. The chariots are drawn by thousands of devotees to the Guricha temple, some 2 kilometers away. So, after staying there for 7 days, the deities return to their abode in Shri Mandir. ये होता है पुरी उड़ीसा. Number 5. Mahamastak Abhishek. It is an important Jain festival held once every 12 years. The festival involves bathing and anointing of the 18-meter high statue of Bahubali with milk, sugarcane juice, and saffron paste. Sandalwood and vermilion powder are also sprinkled. So, ये होता है श्रवणाबेलागोला कर्नाटका. is Hravanabellagola Karnataka. 6. Nehru Trophy Boat Race. It is a famous snake boat race held on the second Saturday of August every year. When Jawaharlal Nehru visited this place in 1952, he was given a roaring reception by the people. He was escorted by huge snake boats. Panditji was thrilled, and on his return, he donated a silver trophy. So ये होता है Alappuzha, Kerala. Kerala. So my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.